It's February 20th, 2014. This is what you call the community-based, or what they'll do is they'll have an external noise, some type of frequency or beep, that what they'll do is they'll activate and deactivate for the purpose of keeping a noise campaign going. These are all the residents that are involved in one or more of these locations. And then I'll go out and show you another site, but this is what happens. Now, how many people have external alarms going on? And what it is it puts noise into where my room is. And so these are just all the locations of all the perpetrators. They gather in different locations, and they help to facilitate the domestic terrorism. These locations behind and locations behind that area, they all gather. And as you notice, it wasn't just over here. They have it set up over here, and they have it set up over here.